Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. We're in today's video to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X1 Max device. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software update from the OnePlus Nord 2 device. And during this time of performance, I'll try to use the 10 mini games. Yes, only 10 mini games I'll try to use. Let's see which phone will be able to manage these 10 games in the background RAM management. So that is what I'm going to exactly check during this process of testing. And both phones I'll try to use the high performance mode. Yes, so a lot of users did ask me to use the high performance mode during the process of demonstration. Let's see. And both are having the 8GB RAM variants, 8GB and 128GB storage. And this is very small speed test only, friends, because I did include only very offline games which are very small games only. Let's see whether which phone will be able to have better kind of RAM management. Let's start with the basics, small games, and then I'll try to increase the dose. So I just want to let you know that the OnePlus Nord 2 got the recent software update on the, I think, August 13th. So I need to test plenty of testings on this phone regarding the mainly temperatures, because the temperatures are slightly high in this phone. So before the update, but let's see after the software update whether it will get fixed or not. Right now the OnePlus Nord 2 also turned on. Let me try to open the high performance mode. Yes, successfully turned on in the Realme X1 Max, no issues. OnePlus Nord 2, it's taking a lot of time, so every time it does take a lot of time. And the battery and high performance mode is turned on successfully, as you can see, friends. That's fantastic. Now let me try to clear everything from the background. Everything is pretty clean, as you can see here. So now let's start with this games. So, and these games I did not add into the game space at all, nothing. I did not add them into the game space. So let's try to open the first one by one game. Let's start with the Subway Surf. So I'll try to do another video as friends, including the games and applications combination. So 2 combinations I'll try to include very soon. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you want to know more details. Right now, using the high performance mode, the Realme X1 Max was able to open slightly faster in terms of the games. Opening speed is slightly faster, as you can see, just a little bit. I think just a few seconds. I mean 1 second or millisecond. That's it. Not much difference you can actually expect in this time. Only few milliseconds. So this is a Realme X1 Max and this is the OnePlus 80 device. You will definitely get confused because both phones are having the same kind of punch hole mechanism, but you can definitely see the wallpapers different. And smash it. Let's see this game. It's not bad. Both phones did open at same time and the crossy roads. This game also, I think, not bad. Realme X1 Max little bit fast, just a little bit. If you try to watch in the slow motion, you will definitely understand this video. So you can see slightly faster the Realme X1 Max. So in terms of the opening games, just a little bit faster in the Realme X1 Max device. Let's see which UI again is optimized to store more games in the background. Whether after the software update, whether the OnePlus Nord 2 can store more apps and games in the background or not. That's what my point of comparing with this phone versus other phone. So first is the speed test and second is checking the RAM management. Which one is really good in the RAM management? The OnePlus Nord 2 did open the Angry Birds 2 faster, no issues. And next is the Steak Balls. Let's see this game. No problem. Yes. So both phones I did open the 10 games in the complete in the background, as you can see. Everything in the background is there. All the 10 games. Let's start with the first game. Last game. Let's see. Let's try to open one by one game. Let's check how many games can it be there in the background memory. Which phone will be the winner in terms of the RAM management. And during this process, I'm trying to use the extended rank capabilities in the Realme X1 Max. So 8 plays 5GB of RAM, extended rank capabilities. That's the one thing which I thought of just forgot to mention to you all. Smash It is open in the Realme X1 Max and it's not open in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see, this is still the same. OnePlus Nord 2 did not get improvement, but slightly the speed got increased in terms of the opening speed little bit, but not much I did notice. Temple Run, as you can see, Temple Run is there in the background memory in the Realme X1 Max. That's fantastic to see. Realme X1 Max, not bad. 7 games in the Realme X1 Max are open. Let's see this game, which is Getaway to 1, 2, 3. So this game is closed in both phones, no issue, no problem. And Candy Crush, both games are closed completely in both phones. Subway Surf also closed in both phones. So all 7 points for the Realme X1 Max and 5 points for the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between both phones after the recent software update from the OnePlus Nord 2. So still the RAM management need to improve, but day by day activities, all the applications, they do work really great. So don't get this OnePlus Nord 2 wrong. So whatever applications you're trying to use, for example 15 to 20 applications, I did do the speed test, multitasking test. In that video, the phone was able to perform really good. So make sure to check those videos in case if you want to know more details about this device. So only for the games, this is the kind of situation, but for applications, no issues at all. It was able to store 15 to 20. So see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.